chana 1 cup. I have soaked it for 6 hours and boiled it. 1 chopped onion, 1 small tomato chopped, 2 teaspoons of curd, coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste. For salt, I have used rock salt. It is very healthy. Before going to the recipe, let me tell the nutritional value of this recipe. This is a high protein diet, and as we are including vegetables like onions and tomatoes, it contains vitamins and minerals. So let's go to the recipe. Take a bowl, put chana into it, 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped onion, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Chaat and garam masala are optional. If you want, you can add it. 2 teaspoons of curd, salt to taste. Now mix it well. Coriander leaves. See how it looks beautiful? Okay, now I am going to taste it.